Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some forex analysis and some live trading in the forex market. My channel has been known for forex and binary trading, but basically I've been pushing out only binary content. So from now henceforth I'll be giving you guys more of my forex content because the forex I've just been trading it personally, and I think now I can make it public for others to join and learn from me. And so I'll be doing a live trading today on GBPAUD. Yeah, I can't show you my MT4, but it's a live account. I can't show you my what's it called. I can't show you my account number, but it's a live account. I would even show you even in my mobile phone when the trade is running. Okay, so looking at this market, this is the weekly chart of GBPAUD. Where the market could be reaching out for the nearest future. I think the market could be reaching out for this level. Maybe the market is trying to go to that level, or probably market could be aiming for this level here. Just marking our levels on the downside. And then if you look at the market properly, we have been getting higher highs and higher lows. The market has been on an uptrend. And let's drop down to the daily chart to see what the daily chart is telling us. Okay, these are our two levels. And on the daily chart, the market made a pattern here. It's trying to buy. So the market is trying to go higher on the daily chart. Let's still see if actually the market is really serious to start buying. On the daily chart, I'm seeing this kind of movement, so maybe we might still be expecting higher highs and higher lows, but I'll be trading. This trade will be lasting for just a day. It's an intraday trade. So let's drop down to, okay, let me mark out some levels on the daily chart. Okay, these are levels the market can still be reaching for. Here, okay, so okay, that's fine. Let's drop down to the 4-hour because it's an intraday trade. We want to drop down to a lower time frame where we could get a more simplified setup, and so that it's already Friday, so I don't want the trade to run throughout the weekend. We just need something we can just stick out at least 30 to 50 pips for today, and that will be enough. So on the 4-hour chart, I'm seeing kind of like a little reversal in the market. We had a choppy market here, but the market broke out, and now probably we might be getting some retracement. You can see we might be getting some retracement on the 4-hour chart. Let me drop down to the 1-hour. Okay, so the 1-hour chart looks good. We are already seeing a little failure here, breaking market structure. So for that, I would like to go with sellers. I would like to sell in this market. So I'll be placing a sell limit order for the market to come to my entry point, for the market to retrace higher, and then I will sell, expecting the market to fill in this level. The market should come down towards this area. So at this level I would like to sell. This would be a good area to sell. Maybe I'll place my first entry. I'll take 2 entries. I'll place my first entry here, and then my second entry should be a little bit higher, just to get a better feel. And so I'm expecting this kind of movement in the market. Market should retrace up. Let me make that green. Market should come up there, and then from there, if I could get at least first TP should be around 30 pips, and then the second take profit should be around 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips is fine. Second take profit should be around 60 pips. So let me place a level there. So around here, I want to get about 60 pips. Okay, so let me see, let me measure that again from this entry down to this point. Awesome, that's exactly 60 pips. I'm expecting the market to drop down there. So let me make this one red, and then perfect. So these are the levels. I'm expecting the market to come towards this area and trade inside that area. Okay, I want to see more sellers there. So this is where I'm expecting the market to come to. Okay, I think that's enough. Let me put the price tags from here. This is our entry, and this is our take profit target. And then our stop loss should be at least 30 pips. Our stop loss should be 30 pips above our entry. So 30 pips is around here. That's 1.86516. So my stop loss target should be around here, 1.8651. Yeah, I think that's there. Let me see. Lovely. Let me bring it down a little. Okay, that's fine. So these are my levels. I'm aiming for. Let me make that quite small. It's too big. Okay. Okay, awesome. That's fine. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm good. I have my stop loss and my take profit target. The first take profit should be around 30 pips, so it's around this level. My first take profit target is around here. Maybe we could get a little retracement if the market gets to that area. Yeah, this is my first take profit target. Then my second entry should be around here, so that I might have a better feel, and then we get completely 60 pips. Okay, so this is the level I'm going to enter my first trade, my first entry, and a little bit above should be my second entry. My first entry should be about 30 pips, and then my second entry TP2 should be around 60 pips, and my stop loss is clearly identified, and I'm expecting the market to trade towards this area. And with that being said, I think that's all I need to know. That's all I need to do. Okay, let me start by placing the trades. Trading, sell limit order. Yeah. Oh, it's already placed immediately. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I would have used new order. So even if my sell limit order is here, let me drag it up to this area. I think that's better. I'm using a little lot size. Yeah, it's just for practice, just to show you how the market reacts to my trade. And then 0.01 lot size. You know, Forex, you have to make sure you keep your risk management tight. So this is my price I entered. My stop loss is from here to here is about 30 pips. So my stop loss is 1.86506, and then my first take profit target in the form of 30 pips should be around 1.85903. Okay, and that's good. I'll modify and perfect. I have our take profit and stop loss target in place, and then my second entry, let me use new order. Okay, very good. Yeah, new order. My second entry, I could increase the lot size a little. That would be to my own favor, and then I'm going to use 0.02. Then my stop loss from here, yeah, I would like it to be here. That will still be perfect. Probably from this point. Yeah, this is around 25 pips. That's quite good. And this price is 1.86256. So there, 1.86256. Oh, sorry, that's my entry. Pending under sell limits 1.86256. And then my stop loss level is still the same level, 1.86506. And then my take profit target is now here. My take profit target is 1.85613. 1.85613, and I'll place the order. Okay, perfect, awesome. So you can see I have my two trades placed. The first take profit is 30 pips, and the second one is about 60 plus pips, and I'm expecting the market to retrace up, trigger my trades, and run into profit. So with that being said, I would like to take a screenshot of this chart. Let me save it as picture, and so that I can show you the before and after later on. So let me save that to my desktop, and yeah, GBPAUD 1 hour. I'll save that. So it's already saved to my desktop. Awesome. This is it. This is the before and after chart, the before chart. And in few hours time, I'll come back to check the running trade, if my trade has been triggered, and if we wake up in the good side of things. And I'll still record a video on my mobile phone where the trades are going to be running, and you see how it's running on my mobile phone. But that being said, till next time, I wish you all good luck with trading. Don't forget to like and share this video. Make sure you drop a comment. If it's your first time, click subscribe. Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, traders. Hope you guys are having a good time. So this was the analysis I made on GBPAUD earlier this morning, and I placed the trade, and it's already running. My entries are triggered. You can see my entries are triggered, and the trade is already in profit. And you can remember I took about 2 trades. I made about 2 entries. One was around here, and the second one was here, the second order. So I took about 2 sell order, and the goal was for the market to come towards this area and maybe fill deeply to this part, and this was where I have my take profit too. But the first trade has been triggered, and that was about 30 pips, and it closed in profit. You can see it right here. So this one is already running in profit, and you can see this one right here. That was GBPAUD sell, and it closed with a little profit, about 30 pips. And now the second one is running, and I'm hoping that the market goes well. We are having some retracement, but by New York section I'm expecting a more volatility to bring the market down. And look at it, awesome price delivery from the level I analyzed. Okay, so you can clearly see it. Look at the image I screenshotted. I saved the picture of the analysis during the morning time when I was doing the analysis here. I told you the market is going to retrace to this line, and then from there we're going to expect some selling. And these are the 2 trades I took. My first take profit was on this green line, and then the second one is down there, and you can see it's awesome price delivery. Awesome price delivery. The market from here that morning traded a little bit down, but it went higher, triggered my 2 trades. This one closed here. The first take profit one closed in profit, and now the second one is running. Hopefully the market should give me lower highs and lower lows, so it's normal to see this kind of movement. And you can see what I did here. From this point you can see the green line I drew, so I know that the market might give us some retracement from here. You can see exactly at that point we are getting this movement up, so maybe around this point we should still get another impulse swing down for the market to hit my take profit too. I would like this trade to run throughout today. I wouldn't like it to exceed in the weekend. So as wisdom demands, this trade is already in profit. Let me see how many pips. Currently about 15 pips in profit, but I'll have to bring my stop loss a little bit down so I don't give up the profit that I made on the other trade. So I'm going to take my stop loss to those points a little bit down. Yeah, so I'm going to keep my stop loss there, allow the market to gyrate a little, but I'm expecting more sellers into the market, and this is my take profit too. From here to that point is about 60 pips, 60 plus pip. So that is it guys. I hope you find it insightful. I'll keep you updated with what transpired after this time. Alright, Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. This is what's transferred on our trade GBPAUD, the trade I took earlier today, which I took a sell at this level. You can see this was a screenshot of the before chart. You can see my entries 1 and 2. The first take profit was here, which was accomplished. The first take profit was here. The market from here traded up, triggered my 2 entries, and traded down to this point, and I closed the first trade in profit. And then the second one was running pretty well, but look at what transpired after some hours. The market traded up. I brought down my stop loss because I've already taken profits here, so I had to reduce the stop loss, so I'll be on break even. That's what you do. You learn to do that one with time due to your risk management and money management goals. So I broke down my stop loss here for the second trade, and we had a whipsaw. You can see we had a long wick here, stopped me out, and now the market is trading down. Yeah, so this happens, is a normal thing in the forex market. We call it stop hunt. So that was a stop hunt. The market took out my stop and then run back into profit. But why am I showing you guys this thing? I want you to learn something from it. Sometimes you don't need to rush into a trade, or you don't need to try to chase your losses. You can see the main thing that was that I was right with the market direction, and that's one thing I want you all to learn. You need to learn how to predict the market precisely without gambling, without fundamental analysis. This is pure technical analysis. I did the analysis here, and I took the trades, and you can see real life example of taking trades. I don't want to behave like the general YouTube people that will just come and be showing you profit and profit, but they don't show you what's happening behind the scene. They don't show you what's happening live on the chart and how they took their trades. So you can see from next week I could get a good market. You can see this is purely a whipsaw. You can see the long wick is just to stop you out, hit your stop loss, and run to. It happens majorly in the forex market, so that's not a challenge. By next week I'm going to look out for more good trades, and I've been observing this pair. When I looked at the 4 hours chart, even on the 4 hours chart, I've been observing that throughout this week the market has been making so many whipsaw, and you can see it here. So it's a normal thing. Look at long wicks, the market consolidated, no clear direction, so many wicks, and like that the market has been making. So but the right thing was that the major thing was that I was in line with the right market direction, because if I was actually wrong on this trade, you see what do you call it, you see continuous buyer's entry in the market. If you're wrong, you see a movement like this, the market will keep on buying. But you can see that the market didn't buy, the market just made a whipsaw, stopped me out, and now is running to my direction. But this is the level I was still aiming for. I was still aiming for the markets to trade down here and come towards this area before I could be expecting some buys. So probably the market could still continue the lower highs and lower lows down here, maybe by next week. This is Friday, the market is already closing, and this is around the end of the day. So in few hours from now, this market would close. So that was the trade result. The first trade closed in profit, and the second one we had a whipsaw, and look at it, we had a whipsaw, and the market the market stopped me out, and that was kind of like break even. So by next week, hopefully we're going to get a good market, and things are going to turn out fine. We'll try better next week with a good market. So the major thing is to learn how to predict price movement. You can see how I took this trade. It was well precise, pure analysis, and it went in my direction. So hopefully you find this video insightful. If you want to learn more, do want to click the subscribe button, drop a comment, I wish you all good luck, good trading, and happy weekend.